Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. Today we are going to be making strawberries and cream cookies. In a large bowl, you're going to combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and then set it aside. To the bowl of a stand mixer, you'll add half a cup of unsalted butter and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Mix well on medium to medium-high speed until everything is nice and soft and fluffy. Add in 1 large egg as well as 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla bean paste. Again, you're gonna mix on that medium to medium-high speed until everything is fully combined. Slowly add your dry ingredients into your stand mixer about a third at a time until the cookie dough just comes together. Add in half a cup of white chocolate chips and then you're going to mix again. You're going to add a 1/4 cup of strawberry preserves. You can either fold these in by hand or mix it in your stand mixer, but only for a second or two, just until the preserves start to swirl into your cookie dough and not fully combine. You're going to use a medium cookie scoop to scoop your cookie dough onto a baking tray that's been lined with either parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Leave about 2 inches of space in between your cookies. And once your cookie sheet or your baking tray has been filled, you're going to chill it in your refrigerator for 45 minutes. Once your cookie trays have chilled, you're going to bake your trays one at a time into an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees. Your cookies will bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are just starting to brown and the tops are set. Once your cookies are done, you're going to let them cool completely on your baking tray. Our cookies are done, they're chewy, they're sweet, and they're oh so delicious. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and join me again next week.